Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video in Adam's Toyland. Today I'm going to be showing you this axolotl stuffed animal. Axolotls are salamanders, but one thing that sets axolotls and other salamanders apart is that the axolotl is actually an all-aquatic salamander species. These pink fingery things are its gills. Axolotls eat mollusks, worms, insect larvae, and crustaceans, and some fish. The natural predators of the axolotl are herons, storks, and large fish, such as tilapia and carp. Unfortunately, axolotls are critically endangered because of water pollution. In the late 90s, the axolotl population was 6,000. But today, unfortunately, the axolotl population is 1,000 in the wild. Wow, they're pretty endangered. You can breed axolotls in captivity as long as the tank conditions are right. Actually, breeding axolotls in captivity helps grow their population. We need to save the axolotl from extinction. To the creature rescue. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this axolotl stuffed animal a 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody getting this animal if they like axolotls, salamanders, amphibians, endangered animals, and weird and unique animals. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below to subscribe. Click the picture of Tinsel to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving axolotls. See you later. Bye.